To use the washer, fill softener and detergent in here. Don't exceed the maximum as indicated. Turn the washer on and select your program. Typically, you will use either normal or quick wash, and you can select temperature, spin speed, depending on the program, as well as the soil level of what you're washing. You press this button in order to start the program. You can also pause it at any point in time, in which case the door should unlock so that you can add additional items to your laundry. Once the system is done, it'll play a melody and let you know. The dryer works almost the same. You just don't need to add anything. Again, you turn it on over here on the power button. You select your program. Typically, you would select normal, quick dry, or something like this. And you select again your dry level, your temperature, and the time will only work if you use time dry as indicated here. Again, press the start button to start. When you pause it, you're able to open the door, add more articles, and restart it. Again, it will play a melody when it is done. Please also make sure that you clean out this trap before you run a new dry cycle. As you can see, this fills up quite a lot and ultimately represents a fire hazard.